Hey guys, Donnie from Donvinci Designs here. Today I'm going to show you how I built this bed swing from scratch. So stay tuned.
You made that?
I have a package available calling out all materials needed for this project. So today I'm going to follow my bed swing plans that I have on my Etsy shop, step by step. So the first step is to begin to build the structure. Now to the back support. Next, we're going to drill a 5/8 hole, big enough to pass our 1/2 inch nut and bolt. So as we set our back support up, we'll use the 1/2 inch nut and bolt to lock that into place. The next step is to add our planks. You can use a shim to maintain proper spacing. At this point, I'm using 1-inch exterior screws. The next step is sanding. You want to remove all rough edges. Then our arm supports. We're adding 5 of these on each side. I cut a spacing block out of 2x4 to keep the spacing uniform. The next step is adding the tops for our arm supports. Maybe next time I'll add a cup holder. From this view you can see the entirety of the bed swing. So I use chairs to set the height for the bed swing. So now we're going to work on the knots that's going to hold up our swing bed. So we'll start off by passing through the eye bolt. Okay. Get some slack. With the long end, we're going to make us loop. Okay. We're going to hold that loop. Take this through the hole, and you pass it through, switch hands, hold the loop. So we got one, we'll go around the back side, go through the hole. That's 2 times, back side, go through the same hole, 3 times. Is that 2? That's probably 2. Let's do one more. All right. 3 times. We're gonna pull one, critter knot. Yes, sir. We out here, boy. I'm probably strong too. All right, we're good to go. So we gotta do this for all 4 sides. So now we're drilling a 1/2 inch hole for our eye bolts. You want to repeat this step 4 times on each side of the bed swing. When locking the eye bolt in place, I left mine vertically. The next step is our anchor points to hang the swing. I drilled a through hole into my 4x4. There are multiple ways of hanging your bed swing, but this is the path that I took. Now let's see what we have.
Wait a minute.
Oh no. The plan is to make this swing sit a little more level.
No, that's a no. Makes sense. There's more weight back here. So I had to change the strategy up, right? So I'm creating a higher pivot point. So we run a hole through the armrest, back up to the mounting point.
If you're still with me this far, I want to thank you so much for tuning in. I had a blast building this bed swing, and I know me and my family is going to enjoy it. So if you feel like you want one of these, hey, just give it a shot. I hope to see you all soon.